Surprisingly, on the bottom of it, though, of the slipper, it's hard. Okay, so all I need you to do is let me know if I'm close enough. If you could go behind there.
I already know I was a photographer.
Well, you are. It's part of your fucking job as my nigga.
Wow. Do I get rewarded for this?
You always
oh, wait a minute.
rewarded.
What the fuck is this?
It's yours, but can you hold on, so? Because I need my angles to be right. Is this? Wait, I need some lip gloss. Hey, bitches. All right, you can go. So I got a surprise for y'all. Drum roll. And cue the drum roll. Ta-da! Oh, I ordered an adapter for my speakerphone too, babe. I mean my speaker. Okay, y'all, so I'm so excited to show y'all my new slippers that my bae got me, that I've been talking about, and he got them for me, surprised me, and it came with this little book. What is this book about? I'm not gonna read this whole book. It says UGG introduced its original sheepskin boot to the world, blah 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 blah. So y'all can read that on your own time, but shut up. Y'all, look at this shit. Look at how cute. Okay, so this is like an unboxing slash review. So, as you can see, I got the strap. And it says UGG. And this is the size 10. And it's, the color, I don't know what color this is. Darren, what color is this called? What color is this called? Salmon or hot pink? Because it don't say on the bottom.
Watch.
Okay, so anyway. So inside we have the UGG label. So you can't really, I mean, you could get it dirty if you wanted to be a dirty bitch and go outside all day, but I more than likely won't be wearing them outside. Unless I just want to stunt real quick, but I probably won't. But these are the cutest thing I ever did see. And shut the fuck up. So yeah, I mean, it's nothing really much to them, but I just thought they was mad cute. So they retail for $100, and yeah, I was so happy this boy surprised me with these shoes. I love him. This says real fur from lamb. Fur has been artificially dyed and treated. Ooh, I hope they did that after they. Oh wait, now I feel bad. Okay, so disclaimer: if you're with PETA or any type of organization and you don't agree with these slides being made, I'm sorry. But this is fur origin is from Australia. The product was made in Vietnam. And of course, you're supposed to remove this label before you wear these slides. Bitch. Alright, so I'm going to try these on for y'all. I was going to wait till I got a fresh pedicure, but he was like, just go ahead and show them. So, that's what I'm going to do. Make sure the bottom of my foot not dirty. Surprisingly though, these slides, they're hard. Like, they're really hard. I think you kind of got to break them in, which is good because sometimes my foot be leaning. So, bitch, these is cute as fuck. Oh my gosh. How cute. Let me show y'all these shoes. Here they go. Ooh. Oh, grrr. These are so cute. Good evening. Would you care for some tea and crumpets? Who foot not hanging out the back? My foot not hanging out the back. How cute. They are mad comfortable. These would be cute with some like white toes or like a French manicure on the toes. Like I said, my pedicure is crusty, so. So yeah, so that's it, that's all. I just wanted to show y'all those because I was too hyped. So besides that, I got some vlogs coming up, some drive with me's coming up. And I have to do this unboxing for this BH Cosmetics, but oh shit. In the meantime and in between time, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, comment, share, do everything, because I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Am I close enough to the camera?
Yeah.
Do I look like I'm in focus and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's all. Where are you going with it?
I mean, the box.
I don't want it to be,
It was at an angle, but it was like you're like over here, so now you're lined up.